Assalamu alaikum, friends. This shrimp fried rice is so delicious and simple to make. Let me show you how to make shrimp fried rice. I started by marinating my shrimps with some onion powder, some garlic salt. I went ahead to add some Italian herbs and seasoning and this aromatic. Then I added some smoked paprika as well. I'll be adding some olive oil, then some garlic powder. Mix everything to combine, and then I'll cover it, and put it back in the fridge to do 8 things. You have to remember that shrimps or seafood in general doesn't take a long time to marinate, so you have to be careful with the salt. Yeah. After doing that, I went ahead to start by adding some butter into my pan. Then I added the marinated shrimp into it. Yep. I have a video of how I cook the rice for this recipe. I'm gonna link it up here somewhere if you want to try that out. It was very simple and easy to make, and it was so delicious as well. You will cook the shrimp for 3 minutes on both sides, and yeah, I hope each and every one of you is doing wonderfully well. I'm doing well. After cooking it for 3 minutes on each side, I went ahead to take it out. Then I'll continue by adding some onions, which are some red onions and some green onions, into the same oil because we are creating some infusions here. Yeah, at this point, this place smells so good. Yeah. You will fry the onions until it's translucent, and of course I needed a little bit of heat, so I went ahead to add some chili flakes to it, and then I added my eggs into it. Yeah. After adding the eggs, you will scramble it just like you are making scrambled eggs. And yeah, coming back to check up on the eggs, it was looking so delicious. And then we will continue with the cooking process. You don't want to overcook the eggs, so I'll say you do it for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then you will push it aside, and then you add your mixed veggies. I use a frozen veggie on this day. You can go ahead to use fresh one, that's fine. Then after adding it, I added my garlic salt to it. This fried rice thing is so delicious, but I don't like shrimps, so I didn't even eat this food. Yeah. After frying it for a little bit, you just push it onto the side. Then you will go ahead to add your rice to it. Yeah. This rice, I have the recipe that I'm gonna link it down below to check it out if you want to. It's a quick, easy rice cooker recipe. that will save your life and time. I had to make another fried rice for myself because I did not want the shrimps. Yeah. After adding the rice, I went ahead to add some dark soy sauce. Mix everything to combine, and then I will fry it for a little bit on the side before I'll go ahead to add it with the veggies and the eggs. And just look at this recipe. Like, look at this. Isn't it delicious? Yeah. You let it fry for a little bit, and then you go ahead to add the shrimps. Yeah, that is the style for this fried rice. Oh my god, this smells so good even though I didn't eat it, but yeah. You stir everything to combine, and then you just leave it to simmer, marry itself. Then I'll go ahead to chop it up with some unchopped up green onions, and your fried rice recipe is ready. Look at that. Just making a restaurant style fried rice in the comfort of your home with just a simple ingredients, which is healthy and delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please subscribe to your girl, like and share to your loved ones. Until my next one, please stay safe, and I'm gonna link some videos up here if you want to check it out. Bye.